Welcome to my channel Maths Pursuit. Today under the topic statistics, let us see what exactly we have in the question. Now moving on to the question, it is given that the following data gives the information on the observed lifetimes in hours of 225 electrical components. Determine the modal lifetimes of the components. Now let us see how we can solve this question. Solution. So guys, as per this question, we need to find out the modal lifetime of the components, and they have given the lifetime in hours of the components and they have given the frequency. So let's see. I have noted down the data in this tabular form. So let's see. So lifetime in hours, like 0 to 20 hours, there are 10 components. We have 20 to 40, 35 electrical items. We have 40 to 60, 50 to 60 to 80 is 61, and 80 to 100 is 38, and 100 to 120 is 29. Lifetime in hours, and in other column they have given the electrical components. Okay, and they are telling that there are altogether 225 components, but here the sum of Fi we haven't, means we don't require. So let us find out the mode, because the question asked us to determine the modal lifetime of the components. So let us first of all put down the data. Let us first of all write down the formula for the mode. Mode formula is nothing but mode is equal to L plus Fm minus F0 upon Fm minus F0 plus Fm minus F1 into H. This is the formula for modal, finding out the mode. Now let us see what are these values for. So let us first of all determine the values for each of these items or variables in our formula. Now guys, here the finding out the FM is nothing but the modal frequency. So modal frequency is nothing but the item or the item which occurs most of the time is called as the modal frequency. So if you see here, the highest number of occurrence is 61. Therefore this 61 is going to be our modal frequency, and against that class or class interval is going to be our modal class values. We need to focus on that. So I can write this one as Fm, and the preceding to modal frequency is our F0, and succeeding to modal frequency is our F1. Now L here is 60, because the lower class interval of our modal frequency is 60, and height H is equal to, you could see that 0 plus 20 is 20, 20 plus 20 is 40. So all together our height is 20. Now with all this data in hand, let us move ahead to find out mode. Okay, because the question asked us to find out the modal lifetime of the components. Okay, now let's put down the value that we have here in this question, in this formula. Mode is equal to L here is 60 plus Fm minus F0. Fm is nothing but 61 minus F0 minus 52 upon 61 minus 52, because again Fm minus F0 plus Fm minus F1. So 61 minus 38 into class height, or I can say into 20, or I can write mode is equal to 60 plus 61 minus 52 is nothing but 9. So I can write 9 upon 9 plus 61 minus 38 is nothing but 23. Okay, into 20, or that is equal to 60 plus 9 by 31 into 20. Okay, sorry, 9 plus 23 is 32. So we have here 60 plus 9 by 32 into 20. Now let us find out, let us write mode is equal to 60 plus 9 into 20, 9 to the 18, 180 upon 32, or I can write 60 plus, so let us solve 180 by 32, what we are getting. So 180 by 32, if we solve, we will get 5.625, or I can write this one as 65.6 625, or we can write 65.63. so our mode here is 65.63. that's all guys. We are able to find out the value for mode is 65.63. okay, and at the end we can write at least the question asks us find out the modal lifetime of the components. So we can say here the modal lifetime of the components is the modal lifetime of the components is 65.63 hours. Hope guys you understood this calculation. This calculation of this process is very simple and very easy and very straightforward. Just we need to write down the formula, and looking at the formula we need to put the variables from the table. With that you can able to easily find out the mode. But still guys, if you have any question or doubts, please reach out to me in the comment section of this video. Definitely I will get back to you once I see your comments. Guys, if you really like my videos, please subscribe. If you really like my videos, I would request you to kindly subscribe and also let your friends know. This will motivate me to create similar videos in the future. Thank you. Bye.